Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about use cases of robotic process automation in media. I am Abhinav Sabarwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. And if you are new here, make sure to click subscribe button and get notified about our upcoming videos. Alright, so the first use case of RPA in media is device activation. We can all agree that we live in a century of fast action, right? Media companies must ensure that mobile devices can be swiftly activated in order to live up to customers' expectations. Software robots can effectively work across several systems in parallel, which drastically reduces processing times for device activation from days to hours. Second use case is customer management. There is a growing demand worldwide for network expansion since hardly any household considers itself complete without services like broadband access to internet, cable TV, or landline mobile and mobile telephone, etc. Consequently, media companies must upgrade customers management system in order to be able to identify quickly and accurately the premises that are likely to welcome the services that they provide. This is part of streamlining the expansion process, a part that is characterized by being repetitive, high volume, and rule based. All these process features that call for RPA. With the help of software robots, the company's sales team can be more proactive by tracking construction sites and knowing exactly whom and when to make a service offer. Third use case is service request. Network expansion also brings in challenge of dealing with more demands from higher number of clients who are increasingly aware of their rights to have their complaints addressed in due time. Automation of service requests by RPA can deliver satisfactory resolutions regardless of the typical daytime working hours. Chatbots can also decide which pressing problems require human intervention and hence should be escalated to the employees. Bots' capacity to work around the clock perfectly serves the goal of reducing customers' waiting times, thereby increasing their satisfaction and ensuring higher level of retainment. Metadata updates. Metadata specifications must be updated rather frequently by media and entertainment companies in order to retain consistent with the ever-changing standards imposed by audience preferences and thus maintain their earning potential. Manual updates are not only error-prone, but they also involve higher incurring costs. On the other hand, deployment of software robots to auto-update metadata ensure access to state-of-the-art and correct information. The fifth use case is content creation. Structured news content, whether we talk about earning reports, latest results in sports competitions, or even advertising, can be easily automated. RPA, in combination with AI technologies, leads to intelligent automation, which can be used for the creation of less structured content. The bots can track trending news online and then automatically create top relevance posts. The above mentioned metadata updates can also be leveraged for content preparation for subscription-based video demand services. The sixth use case is content discovery. Even basic metadata like title, episode name, or synopsis can be exceedingly complex for archived content. With the help of natural language processing, image processing, or machine learning, intelligent automation can be used to deal with both structured and unstructured data and to isolate higher number or more specific keywords. Example, props in a scene. The keyword can be included along the timeline in a video, resulting in a much richer metadata. The outcome, the links established between previously independent content optimized search and consequently enhance audiences engagement with the program offered by your company. Moreover, content as well as promotions can be better target specific audience based on relevance. The seventh and the last use case in this video is grouping files and emailing to customers. Use of screen scraping, optical character recognition, or basic pattern recognition technologies facilitate data extraction from PDF or Excel documents, which reduces the need to key in data. Bots' capacity to access documents across multiple systems allow them to group the PDF into zip folders according to customer's name encountered in Excel sheets. Subsequently, bots can allocate the PDF, encrypt them, and after identifying the address in Excel, email them to clients. To conclude, you'd say the list of use cases of robotic process automation in media shows convincingly that leveraging disruptive technologies can help the industry to better manage challenges such as continuously rising content cost or raising customer demand. RP technologies are a part of strategic choices meant to maximally monetize all existing resources. By doing so, your media company is more likely to achieve goals such as lower production cost, reduced time for service delivery, and perhaps most importantly, improved customer experience. Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst Training. My number is on the screen, and if you would like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for our free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.